The property was built in the early 1980s. It had one owner. It hadn't been improved since the 1980s, and it was primed for redevelopment. Styles change drastically from decade to decade. So it was a design build project. We start with the client early on. We prepare the plans. We listen to the needs of the client, and we incorporate them. We let them know what's feasible. We let them know what's not feasible. The renovation took about 9 months. It was very comprehensive. It included all new mechanical, electrical, plumbing systems. All of the insulation was replaced. All of the finishes were replaced. As with a lot of projects, you sometimes will experience changes in the work, unknowns. And there were some unknowns for this project. Having to replace all the sanitary lines wasn't something that we anticipated. But by replacing all the sanitary lines, what we did was make that house a lot more like a new house. We did open up the floor plan. We got rid of as many hallways as we could. Instead of one central air conditioning system, we have two now, which makes it easier to cool, more efficient. In the kitchen, we added a second dishwasher. So now the house is prime for entertaining. And we also added an oversized island so that a lot of people can get into the kitchen and enjoy each other in the kitchen, where everyone does seem to hang out. The property did have a quantum leap in value. The property was purchased for, I believe, around $460,000. And at the end of the renovation, the house was put on the market and sold for roughly $1.2 million. The property established a new cost per square foot in the neighborhood for non-new structures. When do you make the decision of renovating a property versus knocking it down and rebuilding? It's a financial decision, and it's based on what the existing structure has to offer versus how much is it going to cost to make all those things look great now. Those factors are things that we discuss with the client and help them determine what's best for them financially and feasibly. We here at Ramate Construction are a design build company, and what we want to do is give the customer exactly what they want, and we want them to be a customer for life.